today is our English class. So we will have to remember the classroom rules. First, you need to speak in English or English only policy. So kids and teachers, I am requesting everyone to speak only in English and talk to your teacher politely. Okay? All right. Okay. Now let us begin with our class. We will learn the months of the year. Everybody repeat after teacher Floor and say months of the year. Yes, we will learn months of the year. So we have 12 months. How many months? We have 12. Okay. Very good. We have 12 months. Okay, we have 12 months. And what are the 12 months? Let us begin by this. Okay, I'm going to share to you a video. Okay, for a while, it's not working. Ooh, there are many.
January, February, next comes March. March through winter time. April showers bring May flowers. Summer's almost here. June, July, August. Soon we're back in school. September and October, November, and don't forget December. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and don't forget December. These are the months of the year on the calendar. 12 months and all for fun and work and play and take a holiday. January,
One more
February,
time.
next comes March. March through winter time. April showers bring May flowers. Summer's almost here. June, July, August. Soon we're back in school. September and October, November, and don't forget December. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and don't forget December.
Yay. Okay, so now that is how we have our months of the year. So how many months we have in a 1 year? We have 12 months. Okay, don't forget, we have 12 months. First, we have January. Yes, very good, teacher. It's January. Now, what is during or what happens during January? It is the season of New Year. Okay, so it's a new year. We celebrate that one. Next one, we have what comes to January. What comes next to January? It is, what do you think? It is February. Okay, everybody, kids, can you tell teacher Floor or can you repeat after teacher Floor and say February? February. Yay. It's a heart month. Okay, it's a heart month. It's where we show or we give a special, it's a special time for us to give our love to everyone. Okay, so it's a heart month. February. Next to February is what we call, what's next? We have January, February, and the third one is March. Look at that. Everybody, can you repeat after teacher Floor and say March? March. All right, good. It's March. March. Next, we have April. Yay. Oh, sorry. There. Okay, it's not working for a while. It is April. Next to April, April is when we experience rainy. Okay, so it's April. Next we have, what's next to April? We have May. Everybody, can you repeat after teacher Floor and say May? May. Yay, good job. It's May. Next we have, next to May is where we celebrate flowers. Okay, flowers month. There will be a lot of flowers during May. Everybody repeat after teacher Floor and say May. Very good. Next. Ooh, take a look at that one. Can you say June? Yes, it's June. Now, can you tell teacher what's this one? Can you tell teacher what is this? That is sun. All right, it's a sun. Sun. It gives us light. Sun. That is during June. Everybody say June. Next we have, woo, wow, look at that, kid. What is this one? What is this? That is a butterfly. Everybody say butterfly. Yes, it's a butterfly. Okay, how about this one? Can you tell teacher what is this? That is very good. It's a flower. Ooh, what is this? What animal is that? It is, yay, correct. It's a duck. And there we have the sun. And that comes when or during July. Everybody repeat after teacher Florence. Say July. July. Yay, very good. It's July. Okay, remember that is July, and next to July is August. August. Everybody, when it's August, we have a lot of fruits. Now, this is a basket of fruits. Oh, a basket of fruit, a watermelon. Okay, that's a watermelon. And we have here apple. And that comes during August. Everybody say August. Good. Teacher has a question. What month is what month are we now? What month are we now? We are in month of August. We are in month of August. Yay. Okay, now what date is today? Today is, what date is today? Today is August 22, 2024. Very good. So we are in the month of August. Next is, next to August is, we have September. Everybody repeat after teacher and say September. September. Yay. So it's where you are if you are in school. Now, what is the month of our anniversary in school? It will be on on September 22. That's September. So that will be next month. Yay! So next month, we will sing and dance and learn a lot during our anniversary. And that will be on September. Next to September is we have, ooh, that is October. October. Very good. It's October. Okay, it is October, and you can see that there is a tree that the leaves are falling because it's fall time. The season is fall time. Next to October, we have that is, what's that? What's that? November. Very good. One more time. Can you repeat after teacher and say November? November. Okay, good. It's November. Next to that is What's this one? December. Yay! December. It's where you receive gifts. Yay! It's December. I am excited for December because I am going to receive a gift. All right, I will going to receive a gift from someone and that will be on December. Okay? Now, let's go back and remember the months. We have January. Everybody, can you repeat after teacher? Ready? Go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Yay! Okay, now, since our time is almost over, let us sing our goodbye song. So let me share it to you before we leave, kids.
Teacher Aya.
Everybody stand up. Let us sing and dance.
Goodbye, everybody. We had a good day. Goodbye, everybody. It's time to say
Good job, boys.
goodbye to my teacher. Goodbye to my friends. Goodbye, everybody, till I see you again. Wave your hands left. Wave your hands right. Turn around once and clap your hands twice. Step to the left. Step to the right, jump to the middle and jump out wide. Goodbye, everybody, we had a good day. Goodbye, everybody, it's time to say goodbye to my teacher. Goodbye to my friends. Goodbye, everybody, till I see you again. Wave your hands left, wave your hands right. Turn around once and clap your hands twice. Step to the left, step to the right. Jump to the middle and jump out wide. Goodbye, everybody, we had a good day. Goodbye, everybody, it's time to say goodbye to my teacher. Goodbye to my friends. Goodbye, everybody, till I see you again.